How to create QR code for WhatsApp number. Now check, go to the custom QR tab and find QR code for WhatsApp. Here the field, you can input your WhatsApp number with country code and just copy the shortcode and save the page. I'll create a page QR code for WhatsApp and paste the shortcode and publish the page. Okay, now click view the page, put QR code for WhatsApp, download, and here the title with WhatsApp number. Okay, you can create more QR code for WhatsApp with the shortcode attribute. Here the shortcode and the attribute name WhatsApp. In the WhatsApp field, you can write the WhatsApp number with country code. You can change the size, add logo, different logo, change the keyboard color and background color. Here, okay, we'll change just the size and remove all. We want to same as the setting. Okay, now we'll add an image, different logo. Choose a image link from media library, copy to clipboard and just go here and press Ctrl V and Ctrl Z and Ctrl V. Okay, now this is the URL, logo URL, and update the page. Okay, now view the page, refresh the page. Here the new QR code with shortcode attribute, which in build with shortcode attribute. The final output with custom image. Okay, you can create if you are Elementor user, you can create QR code for WhatsApp with Elementor add-on. We have this plugin has a built-in add-on. Just create a section and search QRC Composer, drag and drop the add-on and just find QRC Composer element. In the drop down you will find just here the find WhatsApp and change the number. Here write WhatsApp number. When you download the QR code, the WhatsApp number render as download title. Okay, here the error correction level you can change from here the drop down, and we add a logo, upload image, and logo will be uploaded. Click to the enable download button and change the keyboard color and the download button color, the QR background white will remain same, and just click to update and then check the preview. QR code for WhatsApp with built-in Elementor add-on. Okay, that's it. Thank you.